Number one is accumulation. Number two, manipulation. Number three, distribution. Anytime you don't see accumulation, and accumulation starts during Asian range, and you don't want to trade that. Manipulation starts towards the end of CBD DR to 6 GMT. Distribution starts from 7 GMT. Distribution depends on CBDR. Do you understand? Because it's your CBDR that will tell you the time to enter the market. So you need to look for the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Your manipulation, if your CBDR is not standard, your manipulation, your accumulation again can be elongated because it's not standard. Then your entry will be between 12 to 14 GMT. That is if it is not standard, but there are some things to that, more insight into that. But let me stay on the standard deviation, which is standard CBDR. We call it standard deviation in the market, and it is 4 times. The market, the manipulation can only go 4 times of your CBDR. And if the market is distributed, your manipulation inside your accumulation stage is your Asian range. Your manipulation is your CBDR, end of CBDR upward. So when you now prolong, you copy that CBDR, you now prolong it outside. It can only go first deviation, second deviation, third deviation, fourth deviation. That's the highest any manipulation can go. And in that case, you can get spike. Like what happened on, let me go to, I think it's last week when there was, this news, CPI news. Okay, I think this. See this manipulation. Can you see this? You know how far it can go. You know how far it can go. Your CBDR will tell you how far this can go. Do you understand? What is the trend? The trend is up, right? The trend is up for that day. It will start reversing from that place. But how far can it go up? How far can it go down? Your manipulation downward, let's see your CBDR. One, two, three, four, 5. How many pips? 24. So it can only go 100 pips upward. From here, let's go to 100. This is the highest the market can go. Any other thing is your, this is your CBDR here. Let's mark 100 upward. Any other thing that you see, can you see that? Any other thing that is more than that is yours. It is your brokers that added it. This is 100 pips. Did you see that? Can you see this?
Okay. So is it because of our CBDR being that small, then we got 100 pips?
Yes, it is 25. It is 25. Therefore, multiply by 4. From you extend it, that's the highest anything can go. Is it upward or downward?
That's for that day.
Yes, for that day. It can't go more than that. It's not possible.
Is that
anything that goes beyond that level is spread from your broker. That's the power of CBDR. So from there, you can confidently, when it is spiking, from there, let's say you are expecting a big news. The news cannot pack that level for the spike, because there's a rule that is guiding the game. That's the CBDR.
Okay, I want to ask, or let's say, for
I still have a
example,
question.
the CB is,
Go
let's
ahead,
say,
sir.
ranging like, let's say, 35 pips.
Then you
Okay.
extend it, you multiply it by 4, then you extend it. That's the highest the market can give you for that day.
Okay.
Either upwards or downwards.
Or downward. And it is that CBDR that will determine when to enter market. Here, let's look at 8 a.m., 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What happened? It buys. Don't you see it? It first give you buy. By 7 a.m., it bought. It retraced the retest, which is when the London market opened. This is Frankfurt open, Germany. This is Frankfurt open, and this is London open. So Frankfurt open and give a retest. Then London will now open and move up permanently. When you see Frankfurt open upward, that's a tip to tell you this is the trend for that day. Wait, let Frankfurt go. Then you wait for retracement, which is London open. Then you buy. Do you understand? If you don't
Okay, so
jump,
yes, I get you. So hello?
Ask your question.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
So Frankfurt will give the direction for the day. Then London give the entry for the day.
Yes. If it breaks structure, if Frankfurt breaks structure, that's the direction for the day most of the time. But you need to know your bias, directional bias.
Okay.
Yes. You need to know your directional bias. And see this, when your CBDR here is less than 45, let's count when the time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 7. This is 7. You see the entry of these people, right? And don't forget, we use ICT entry for our entry. And in ICT, we have 7 entries under our PDRs. We have mitigation block, fair value gap, liquidity void, rejection block, equal low and equal high, order block, and breaker block. So here is T an entry. Do you understand? This is the safest time to enter the market, and that's when you see the bank enter the market. All these ones are retailers. And this one, because this market has changed from here, this one is reversal. This one happens on Tuesday. If it is happen on Wednesday, it will reverse. But since it happens on Tuesday, this is continuation. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. If it happens on Wednesday, it is reversal. Let's see this. Our CBDR here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Let's mark it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 39. So let's wait for 7 to 9 GMT. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, you get the highest of the day and you sell downward. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see another day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's measure it. What is this? This is 71, right?
Yes.
So that means your lowest of the day to buy can never be 8 GMT. Anybody that is entering buy at 8 GMT is deceiving himself. Let's check if it is true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can't get your buy there. 10, 11, 12. 12 is your normal entry. Does it give you the normal entry there or not? Can you see the buy from 12? Because it's not standard. Do you understand? Hello, guys. Hello. Can you guys hear
I'm
me?
getting you.
Yes. Mostly, I don't use it on Monday or Friday, but when you do it 100 times between Tuesday to Thursday, 99% of the time, it is accurate. Let's mark our CBDR. Our CBDR, we know it is standard here, right? Let's mark our CBDR here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Let's mark it. This is 21. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you get your entry for buy or not? Hello?
Yeah.
Did you get your entry for buy? That is the power of CBDR. It's going to tell you where you are going to get your lowest, the time you are going to get your lowest of the day to buy, and when you are going to get your highest of the day to sell. That's the joy of CBDR. And you know you don't trade Asian range. Once you have known your CBDR, when you are going to buy and when you just wait for that time. And if you don't see accumulation, manipulation, don't wait for distribution. Like me, any day I don't see the market manipulated, it is going up before. If I don't see it being manipulated downward, I don't buy. Like here, where are we going to get our trade entry here? All you need to do is to go to lower time frame to get your entry around here. Let's
lower time frame, like what time frame? Is it the 5 minutes?
15 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, anyone. There's no one you get to that is not good. Anyone.
Okay.
Where you are going to get your premium to discount and which is your PDRAs.
Okay.
Yes.
Is this sorry, excuse me, please, is this applicable to a pair like Euro USD? Because most times it correlates with GBP USD.
Yes. But news, don't put, if there is going to be news by 10 a.m. or 11 a.m., know that your CBDR might not work for that day, or it's either your CBDR is not standard. If there's going to be news that is going to be delayed. Here we know our CBDR is standard. Let's check. Use it on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is going to be 99% accurate.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Yes. That's when the banks trade. This one is standard. I don't need to measure it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get your sell from there. This one, it cannot give you higher. You just sell downward. This one, is it standard or not? Let me measure it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. Body to body is standard. Is standard. So 8 from 7 to 9 GMT. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get yourself downward. It cannot come and hit it out. Leave it, forget about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That high of that 7 o'clock.
7, eh?
You can't take the high of that 7.
It can't take it. This is it now.
Clinton.
Does it take it?
No.
Let's go. Even Friday, the best, the one that favors it most is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You can use it for any day, but if you want 100% accuracy, go to Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. $27, then 8 o'clock to 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get your highest there or not? Did you get it or not?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Does anything comes to hit it out?
No.
If you just wait, if you know with the power of CBDR, if you just know that between, so what you would be looking for if I were you, all I would be looking for is between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here to 17 GMT, that's where I'm interested in trading. Anything after than that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. To 17 GMT, I don't have anything to do in the market again. Can you see that?
Wow, this is interesting.
Let's go again.
Okay, excuse me, sir. Sorry, before you proceed, sir. That is to say, once you have counted your CBDR for the day,
yes,
and price goes, yes, and it's standard, let's say like less than 45 pips, and price starts going down. And price starts going down. That is to tell you that that downward movement is anticipated to be a manipulation. And by the time of the London time, that is around 7 a.m. to
it must come 12. Back. It must come back to minimum this place to sell or above it. All this down that is going is accumulation. Or if it is going down, it's still you want to sell and you see price going up, that's manipulation. This is accumulation. This is manipulation upward. Then this is distribution.
Okay, let's do for the next day. I think it will answer my question.
Okay.
Because what I was trying to say is, if the price starts buying before your CBDR is less than 45 pips and it starts selling. He starts selling once London opens. So I'm looking at it. Is it that once it starts selling around that 7 to 9, you can now enter a buy, anticipating that sell movement was a false movement for the buy that is going to buy for the day?
Yes. This one is standard, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is Friday. Okay, this is where the day start from. This is the time divider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The thought we didn't catch the thought ahead. Okay.
What we need is body to body. It's
yes.
still within this body.
Yeah. Was supposed to be that bearish candle.
Yes. Body to body. How many? 25. Then 25 between your 7 to 9 GMT, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get your entry. So all this sell is manipulation.
So it's, yes.
This is accumulation. Yes. This is manipulation. This is your buying. So all you are interested in is between here and here where the market close. Let's count it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. At the close of this candle, you don't have anything to do again in the market. That's where you are.
More.
Last
Broker.
I don't usually display this skill for people because I am scared. I don't want it to be too exposed. This is my well, hold on. Project Canaan. These are top secrets. These are top secrets in trading.
Yes,
in
definitely.
Trading world.
That's London. That's the same thing as London Q zone.
London Q zone or no London Q zone. What I'm trading, what determines my trading system is CBDR.
CBDR.
If you don't know the rules of the game, you can't play it.
You don't know. You don't know it. You don't know it.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
What are you seeing?
Introducing Project Canaan.
Project Canaan. Go to learn here. See, beginners, I train people on basics of Forex, how to trade, when to trade, and what to trade. That's time-based analysis, when to trade, what to trade. If you do it, and this is the price, this is intermediate time-based analysis. I will tell you the characteristics of every time. What this time is going to tell you, what this time is going to show you, what this time is going to show you, every characteristics. When I tell you it can never go, this is the time, this one is going to move, is going to move. This is the time, this one is going to do this, is going to do it. This so day, this is how the market is going. That's how, those are the top secrets of the market. These are the rules of the game. It's 99% of time, it follows it. 99% of time. This one is time-based analysis, where I go deep into my time-based analysis. When to trade, what time to get out of the market first, and what time to get in back. At so time, okay, let me give you a tip again. When you enter the market, if you enter the market and your CBDR is standard, and the market is moved by 7 GMT candle, you must get out by 10:59. Do you understand? Hello? Can you guys hear me?
10:59.
Yes.
AM.
If the trade just go, if you are, let's say you are buying by 7, and the 8 GMT candle did not come back to the base of that 9 GMT candle, of that 7 GMT candle. You know, it started by 7. Let's say the buy trend
Yes.
by 7.
Yes.
I'm getting message from my group. I don't know. Okay. Let's say the trend start by 7 GMT candle, and the 8 GMT candle did not touch the base of that 7 GMT candle. Get out by exact. Who is drawing on my system, on my chart? Who is drawing this?
It's a mistake. It's a mistake.
Okay. Can you remove that, or let me see if I can remove it from here? Okay. If the 8 GMT candle did not take out the base, the low of the 7 GMT candle, get out at exactly 10:59 GMT. Do you hear that?
Yes.
If the 8 GMT takes out the base of 7 GMT, or it is equal to the base of 7 GMT, get out at 11:59 GMT. Do you understand? Let's go to the chart.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the chart, please.
That's time-based analysis, part of time-based analysis. I'm giving you too much tips now. These are what I teach people in my class: central banks, dealers range, time-based analysis, in-depth knowledge of time-based analysis, central banks, dealers range, reversal, ICT entries, fundamental, risk management, and sentimental analysis. And that's my price. This is what I train people on. And if you know it, 100% of time, GBP USD doesn't, because this is the one. If I go deep into other economy, I know their fundamental very well. Then if I can combine, there's no way you want to trade. You don't know your time-based analysis. You don't know the time that things happen. You don't know your CBDR. You don't know where reversal is going to happen. What day does reversal happen? How far can the reversal go? And you don't know where to get the entry, which is the ICT entries. You don't know the fundamental that moves the market, how to risk. Then you don't have any business playing this game that we call trading. You don't have any business doing it. And me, because I know all the fundamental of GBP USD, which is just, I can still handle it. That's why I base myself only on GBP. Do you guys understand?
Yes, yes.
That's why I only do GBP every day, every week. There are some times in my group, I tell them I want to be doubling my account every month. I risk only 3% of my account per trade. I trade only Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And I double my account every month. I did it for I put a challenge that show me anybody who can do this without a drawdown for 3 months. I did it. Go to my group. This is my group. Let anybody, Project Canaan, let anybody come and tell you, okay, this guy didn't do it. I did this last year, February. I did it every time. I can just put up a challenge that, okay, I want to be doubling my account and I will be risking only 3% per trade on my personal account. And everybody, we joined together in the group and we did it. So this is, you need to know the rules of the game. If you don't know the rules of the game, you don't play it. You don't know, let's say you are in football match and you don't know that if you use your hand to pick the ball, that is foul. Then how will you be a good player if you don't know the rule of the game? You need to know the rules that governs the game. It's not just trend line. It's not trend line. It's not indicator. It's not, you need to know everything that governs it. You need to know when the ball goes into throwing. You need to know when it goes into offside. You need to know all the rules, not trend line. It's not trend line that moves the market. It's not trend line. It is not indicator. It is not smart money concept. There's nothing. The idea of smart money concept is that, okay, there's liquidity in the market. It will grab it. What exactly time? Okay, go into the chart and mark out this time that I have shown you. 99% of the time between Tuesday to Wednesday, Tuesday to Thursday, it is going to give you, even go and mark it on all the days, go and mark it 100% of the time. That's the best time to enter the market and the best time to exit the market. Okay, what else are you looking for in the market here? Let's say you sold from this place. What are you looking for in the market here? At the end of this place, what are you looking for in the market? Guys, can you see my chart?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
so
we can.
What are you looking for in the market after this place? You don't have any business around this area. And here, once you start buying, immediately it gets to this place at exactly 17 GMT. Then you close your trade. What else are you looking for in the market?
Even 59 GMT self, I don't close.
You said?
I won't even wait till 17 GMT. 16:58, 59 GMT, I don't close.
Clint, my liar. I don't believe you, my liar.
No. We need to be sincere. We need to know. Okay, when you know the time that the match is going to close, what else are you looking for? You know the match is going to close at 90 minutes. Then whatever you have done in the market, somebody has beat you 7-0, and it's 90 minutes, 89 minutes, and you are still saying, I will still win, I will still win. What are you looking for in the game, in the match? Is it magic? You know when the market is going to close, then close your market. You are trading GBP, for God's sake, and the bank close. They are the one moving the market. It's not your broker. It's not retailers. It's not Aboki. It's not any exchange. This is bank, where the bank closes, where stock exchange in London closes. Close the market. Get out of the market. And this one hit the lowest of 7 GMT. Let's count it. 8, 9, 10, 59. What happened? It comes down a little. If you don't get out, your first exit should be here. Your first exit, then you re-enter again. You re-enter. These are London break. We call it London break session before it will go up again. Or you can leave it, let it run if there's no news that day. Do you understand? Hello, guys.
Yes, sir. We understand. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We understand.
Okay. If there's no news, you leave it and let it run. Here, you've known it. If there's news on this day, get out by 12 GMT. Which candle is this? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 took out the lowest of 7. Then you are going to get out by 11:59. 8, 9, 10, 11:59. You are getting out first. Then you enter again. And this day, you must see that there's news. That's why it's coming. There's news, and the news is around. It's showing that the market is reversing. You get out of the market. The market has started reversing from there. That's why you see this coming to take out the lowest of this day. Do you understand? So
yes,
if you don't know the news, when will you know that, okay, the news has said the market is going to go down? It's going to go against the GBP, British pounds. Then you get out. You don't have anything to do in the market. You need to know your fundamentals. But it was buy before. Then you buy up. And once you know they are going to release news, get out of the market before the news. Do you understand? Let's have one more session for question and answer, then we wrap it up.